Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to flock or add a snow look to wreaths and garland. And I'd like you to also stay tuned to the end of the video where I will share a Trash to Treasure Christmas open invite. Have you seen the price of flocked wreaths and garlands out there? It is crazy how expensive they are. This is a wreath that I picked up at my Dollarama. It was $3.25 for the wreath itself. So I'm just going to fluff it up first, and I'm going to just pull all the stems really up high so I can get easy access to everything and I don't miss flocking any of the stems. The easiest thing to do is to go ahead and just use spray paint for the flocking. I've got two colors here that I'm going to use. One is Rust-Oleum white and the other is a hammered metal finish in silver. And you can use silver spray paint as well. This hammered metal is just what I happen to have on hand. I'm using the white spray paint first, and I'm actually giving this a really good coat of the spray paint because I want this to be really white. You can do whatever you want, but this is one way that I have made my wreaths look really nice and frosty. And this is actually the wreath that I used in my winter berry wreath video, so I'll link that up here for you if you want to go take a look at how it turned out. I'm going to make sure I get all the angles of this, and I'm going to spray paint the top of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. Then I'll flip it over and spray paint the back of it. This wreath is also from the Dollarama, and I've also fluffed it out. I'm using the hammered metal trem-clad silver paint for this. I'm not going to go as heavy as I did with the white spray paint, but as you can see, it's already starting to get a beautiful frosted silver look. This is the white spray painted one. I'm going to flip it over and spray the back as well. And I'll be able to just get inside in the circle to make sure I get all of the stems painted. This is an 8-foot piece of garland that I also grabbed at Dollarama. It was also $3.50, and I've gone ahead and fluffed it out. And now I'm just taking my spray paint again, and this is the white, and just going over it and frosting it. I'm not going to go as white as I did with the original winter wreath because I want some of this greenery to poke through. I'm also probably going to intertwine this garland with a solid green garland so I can get a little bit more of the varying textures and colors. This is probably going to be used for my mantle, which I will be decorating in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that video as well.
Today I want to invite you to a Trash to Treasure Christmas challenge hosted by myself and my very good friend Sonia at Domestic Diva. In this challenge, we want you to take something that you've thrifted, garage saled, picked up off the street, or even just gotten from a friend, wherever. It's something that's secondhand, it's been used for something else, and we want you to create some Christmas decor with it that suits your style. There's no budget for this challenge. You can spend as little or as much as you want. You can add other things into your decor. You can go and purchase some accessories for it. You can use what's in your stash. There are no limits to this challenge. We want to see what you can create from trash and make it your treasure. Now for the details. You need to title your video Trash to Treasure Christmas Decor. You also need to be subscribed to my channel and to Sonia's channel, which I'll link in the description box below. You'll upload your video on November 27th at 7 a.m. and check back on this video and on our community, and we'll be posting the playlist link there. That's it. Really easy, really fun. We hope you'll participate.
I hope you enjoyed the flocking tutorial and you are going to take a chance and participate in the challenge. I'll be doing lots more Christmas decor and decorating videos in the weeks to come. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to click that little red button below this video. I'd also love a like, a comment, and even a share. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.